For how long are volcanoes active? In geological terms, volcanoes are not that long-lived. Compared to the age of the Earth, which is about 4.5 billion years, the lives of volcanoes are rather short. As we learned in the previous video, some volcanoes only erupt once, so their active lifespan is equivalent to the eruption span. Volcanic eruptions last between days and a few weeks in most cases. In special occasions, eruptions can last for several years, as for example an eruption at Kilauea volcano in Hawaii that started in 1983 and ended in 2018. During this eruption, the Pu'u'o'o cone that we see here was formed. Big part of it collapsed towards the end of the eruption, giving it the shape it has now. So this volcano lived for 35 years. Polygenetic volcanoes, volcanoes that erupt many times and slowly build a large volcanic edifice, can be active for hundreds of thousands of years to up to a few million years. Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland, for example, has formed over the past 800,000 years. And Mount Etna in Sicily started to form about 500,000 years ago, producing countless lava flows, ash layers and other volcanic products over time that piled up to a more than 3,000 meter high mountain. Most of their lifetime, these polygenetic volcanoes are quiescent and do not erupt. Between single eruptions there can be years, centuries and sometimes even millennia of quiescence. Stromboli is a rather young polygenetic volcano. It has been active for about 85,000 years. Interestingly, Stromboli is the volcano with the longest known eruption. Since more than 2,000 years, this volcano has been erupting continuously up until today. By the way, if you want to see a volcanic eruption, Stromboli is a pretty safe bet because of its continuous activity. At some point, also big polygenetic volcanoes go extinct. Either because the volcanic activity slowly moves to another place, creating a new volcano, or the volcano moves away from its heat source due to plate movement. What happens to a volcano when it becomes inactive and stops erupting? We'll look at this in the next video.